Before we finish this function, let me ask you a question. Where is the most recent shirt in this array? Is it the first element, or is it the last element? Our query orders products by SKU in descending order, so the most recent shirt will be the first element in the array returned from the query. That's different than how the function used to work, so we'll have to account for it. If you look back at the documentation I wrote for this function, you'll notice that the most recent product used to be the last one in the array. When we refactor a function like this, we have to make sure that the return value looks exactly the same as it did before. Otherwise, we might accidentally change something on the website, or we might have to go change our controller or view code in multiple places to handle the new return value. Before we return this array, let's reverse the order so that the most recent product is at the end. We call the arrayReverse function passing in the array. This function receives one argument, the array you want to reverse. It doesn't reverse the array itself, but it returns a copy of the array with the elements reversed. We want to change the variable named recent, so we assign the return value to that same variable. Let's open up the home page and take a look. I'll refresh it, and everything looks the same. It can be a little underwhelming when, after you refactor something like this, you don't notice a change, but you can feel good knowing that the query performs much better now. Let's go back to our code and break our query just to make sure that our code is really being used and fails correctly. I'll add this at the beginning of the query, which makes the query invalid. Back in the browser, you can see that this broke the page. Excellent. The page broke just like it should have. Let's be sure to change it back. We have now refactored the getProductsRecent function. We made sure to leave the return value in the same format as before so that we wouldn't have to change any controller code or view code. We have 3 functions left to refactor in this manner. Let's next tackle an easy one.